Good morning, Emma. How are you today?
Good morning, David. I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking. How about you?
I'm great. I woke up early today, so I feel fresh and energetic.
That's wonderful. I also like waking up early. It helps me start the day peacefully.
Really? What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m. on weekdays. Sometimes I wake up a little earlier if I have extra work.
That's impressive. I normally wake up at 6:30 a.m., but on weekends I enjoy sleeping until 8 a.m.
I understand. Everyone needs some extra rest after a busy week. Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I do. I set an alarm on my phone. Without it, I might sleep longer.
I also use my phone alarm, but after waking up, I try not to check social media immediately.
That's a good habit. Many people spend too much time looking at their phones first thing in the morning.
Exactly. Instead, I open the window and enjoy the fresh air for a few minutes.
That sounds relaxing. The fresh morning air makes me feel calm, too.
What is the first thing you do after getting out of bed?
First, I make my bed. It only takes a couple of minutes, but it makes my room look clean.
I do the same. A tidy room gives me a positive feeling.
Then, I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Me too. Personal hygiene is an important part of every morning routine.
After that, I drink a glass of water because people say it is good for the body.
Yes, staying hydrated is important. I usually drink warm water with a slice of lemon.
That's healthy. That's healthy. Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do some stretching and light exercise for about 20 minutes. Sometimes I also take a short walk.
I wish I were that disciplined. I usually do 10 minutes of stretching and then a few push-ups.
That's still good. Even a little exercise is better than none.
I agree. Exercise wakes up both the body and the mind.
After exercising, I take a shower and get dressed.
I also take a shower. It makes me feel refreshed and ready for the day.
Do you prepare your breakfast yourself?
Most of the time, yes. I like simple meals, such as bread, eggs, fruit, and tea.
My breakfast is similar. Sometimes I eat oatmeal with bananas and nuts.
That sounds delicious and healthy.
Thank you. I believe breakfast is an important meal because it gives us energy.
I agree. When I skip breakfast, I feel tired before noon. Exactly. A healthy breakfast helps us concentrate better. Do you listen to music while having breakfast? Sometimes I listen to soft music or an English podcast. It helps me improve my listening skills.
That's a smart idea. I usually read the news while drinking coffee.
Reading the news is a good way to stay informed.
After breakfast, I make a list of the tasks I need to finish.
I also write a to-do list. It helps me organize my day.
What kinds of tasks do you usually write?
I write work tasks, study goals, household chores, and sometimes reminders to call my family.
That's very organized. I often include small goals like reading 10 pages of a book or learning 5 new English words.
Small goals are easier to achieve and keep us motivated.
Exactly. Completing simple tasks gives me confidence.
After making my list, I check my calendar for meetings or appointments.
I do the same because I don't want to forget anything important.
Then I prepare my bag before leaving home.
What do you usually carry?
I carry my notebook, water bottle, wallet, phone, charger, and sometimes an umbrella.
My bag is similar. I also keep a pen and a small notebook for ideas.
That's useful. Inspiration can come at any time.
Very true. Sometimes I think of great ideas while traveling.
Speaking of traveling, how do you usually go to work or school?
I usually take the bus because it is convenient and affordable.
I often ride my bicycle when the weather is nice.
Cycling is excellent exercise, too.
Yes, and it helps me enjoy the morning.
Do you talk to your family before leaving?
Of course. I always say goodbye and wish them a good day.
I think that's a lovely habit. A few kind words can make someone's day better.
I agree. Positive words create a positive atmosphere.
Do you ever feel rushed in the morning?
Sometimes, especially if I wake up late. That's why I try to prepare my clothes and bag the night before. That's a great tip. Preparation saves a lot of time. What happens if you oversleep?
Then I have to hurry, and I don't enjoy my morning. I might even forget something important.
That's happened to me too. It reminds me why a routine is so helpful.
Do you think everyone should have a morning routine?
Yes, although it doesn't have to be the same for everyone. A routine should match a person's lifestyle.
I completely agree. Some people enjoy exercising, while others prefer reading or meditation.
The important thing is to start the day with healthy and positive habits.
Exactly. A good morning often leads to a productive day.
And a productive day usually brings a feeling of satisfaction.
I think our conversation has given many useful ideas for starting the morning.
I hope so. Even small changes can make a big difference over time.
Thank you for sharing your routine, Emma. I learned several good habits from you.
Thank you, David. I also enjoyed learning about your morning routine.
Have a wonderful day ahead.
You too. See you next time.
Goodbye.